In this video, I will show you how to block certain days from booking in Hostinger Website Builder. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger Website Builder, and if I click on this button, I will jump to my booking system, which lets my website or this website visitors book a 1 hour personal training session with me. If I click on this book now button, this window opens up, and as you can see, I am available for booking all the weekdays, even the Saturdays and Sundays. Let's say that I want to block the Mondays and Tuesdays from booking. How to do that? Simply log in to your Hostinger account, then click on websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this exact website is this one. Instead of clicking on edit website, let's go directly to the store management area. Click on appointments from this left sidebar. And now, instead of blocking specific dates, click on edit availability. And if I want to block all Mondays and let's say Tuesdays all the year because I don't work, all I need to do is to uncheck Monday and Tuesdays. Now click on save. The difference between editing your availability and blocking time is that blocking time blocks out specific dates and not the same days throughout the year. As you can see, now Mondays and Tuesdays are off. Now, after editing your availability like that, click on save, and now let's refresh. Now, if this website visitor clicks on book now, Mondays and Tuesdays are not available for booking all the year. Always Mondays and Tuesdays are unavailable for booking. And this is how to block certain days from booking in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.